Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make my very own recipe. I've named it Saffron Chicken. We start by taking 3 to 4 cloves, peppercorn, saffron, green cardamom, poppy seeds, cinnamon sticks and some fennel seeds, and we'll all put this in a grinder. Then I take about 4 onions roughly chopped and put it in, followed by some sesame seeds, about 1 teaspoon, some cumin powder, again about 1 teaspoon approximately, and 1 teaspoon kitchen king masala and 1 teaspoon garam masala. I'm adding some coriander powder to this. Followed by some turmeric powder. And some yogurt. This is not a very spicy dish because I'm not adding any form of chili. I'm allowing the taste of every other masala to come through. It's all about the aroma and the taste of the spices as well as the saffron. This is such a simple dish. I'm adding a handful of cashew nuts. Grind this all to a paste. Now I'm adding some ghee in a pan. After I let it heat, I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste. This is a very simple dish to make, and it is so quick that again it makes a great dinner recipe when you don't have the time, or a lunch recipe when you don't have the time. Now I'm adding all the masala paste into the pan, and I'm going to allow it to fry for some time. Remember, the onions that we added were raw, and hence it's important that we fry the spices the masala paste for some time. Now I'm going to add a bit of salt and stir. Add as per your taste. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for supporting me, and thank you for visiting this channel. I give lots of exciting recipes and very easy to make and follow. Now I'm adding some potatoes which I've just chopped up. You can chop the potatoes according to the size that you'd like in a chicken gravy. And now I'm going to add some chicken on the bone. If you do like this recipe, please make sure that you really give it a try, because it's oh so simple and so tasty at the end of the day. Don't forget to like and comment and let me know how it turned out. It will be very, very encouraging to see that you try the recipe. Once I fry the chicken for about 2 to 3 minutes, I'm adding some water. And now I'm just going to allow this to cook for about 40 minutes, and I will stir occasionally while I allow this to cook, so that it doesn't get burnt, or the sides don't get touched down. Now it's ready, and I serve this with steamed rice and some onion salad. It is absolutely delicious, and please do give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching my very own recipe, Saffron Chicken. I hope you like it. Happy cooking. Take care. Bye-bye.